The world's most dangerous mafias have built secret cabins high in the mountains. These hideouts are so remote and cleverly hidden that even the most powerful intelligence agencies couldn't locate them after months of intense searching. But how did they build homes on mountain peaks thousands of meters above the ground? What lies inside these mysterious places? And why can't the world's best agents even get close? Let's begin with the Dolomites' most remote cabin. A small wooden hut stands alone on a steep and icy mountain in the Dolomite Range, nearly 2.5 kilometers above the ground. At first glance, it looks like an old, abandoned shelter. But don't let its simple look fool you. This is no ordinary hut. It was built with one goal: to disappear from the world. The location is so hard to reach that helicopters and drones can't detect it from above. Thick snow, jagged rocks, and high cliffs surround the cabin. Once you step inside, you'll realize how much thought went into its design. There's a cozy bed with warm blankets, a sleek modern fireplace to survive freezing nights, and a hidden stock of food and water. There's even a small underground bunker, perfect for hiding for months if needed. And here's the most shocking part. A secret tunnel lies beneath the floor. It leads to the other side of the mountain and is entirely invisible. The infamous Italian mafia boss, Salvatore Riina, is believed to have taken refuge here during the final days of his life. This cabin wasn't just a hiding place, but a fortress designed to keep the world out for years. Now let's travel to the snowy peaks of Sweden, where another secret hut hides in the clouds. This one is located at a height of 2,580 meters above sea level. You must hike for 2 or 3 days straight across ice, rock, and thin air to reach it. This cabin was created by South American mafia boss Amado Carrillo, known to many as the Lord of Skies. Fitting his nickname, he built a sky-high fortress that no one could reach. It was his escape from the outside world. Inside, the cabin is well equipped. It contains a powerful satellite phone and a signal blocker that jams all tracking devices. No GPS or signal can be used to locate him. Food and water were stored carefully for 6 whole months. There's even an anti-drone system around the hut, making aerial surveillance impossible. Hidden inside the mountain rock is a secret room, its entrance completely camouflaged. They wouldn't know the room existed even if someone stumbles upon the cabin. While global agencies searched every corner of the earth, Carrillo remained silent, knowing that no one, not even the best, could find him. Far from Europe, another strange and unreachable structure stands in the heart of Ethiopia. Built on top of a towering mountain named Abuna Yamata Gu, this place is more than 2,580 meters above the ground. The only way to reach it is by climbing a vertical cliff. There are no roads, no vehicles, and no easy paths. It takes courage to get close. This was the secret hideout of India's most wanted mafia leader, Dawood Ibrahim. While his enemies and international agencies searched high and low, Dawood stayed here calmly, watching from above and planning his next big move. He stayed hidden here for years while the world searched in vain. Even with all their power, the top agencies couldn't trace him. Though he may not be there now, rumors suggest he has found another sky-high home, hidden somewhere as remote and mysterious. Finally, let's visit the snowy mountains of Switzerland. Almost 2,450 meters above sea level sits one of the most secluded homes ever built. The icy winds, deep snow, and narrow trails make this place nearly impossible to find. This secret home was constructed by Rocco Morabito, an infamous Italian mafia boss once called the Mafia King. He built it as a final escape, where no one, police or rival gangs, could ever find him. This mountain cabin is no ordinary home. It's fitted with advanced technology to stay off the radar. Anti-drone sensors are installed to block any surveillance. No drone can come within a kilometer of the house. Solar panels provide electricity, even in harsh winter conditions. There are enough supplies, food, water, and fuel to last nearly a full year. Rocco reportedly spent $70 million to ensure this house could keep him safe from anyone for as long as needed. These secret cabins show how far the world's most dangerous criminals will go to stay hidden. They aren't just homes, they're invisible strongholds. Built on the edges of the earth, these mountain fortresses were made to escape the reach of law, enemies, and even modern technology. They remind us that sometimes the best way to vanish is to rise above the world. Literally.